Greetings, my beautiful people. Namhlanje Sisantasfield Stadium, where Hype Academy is hosting football trials for under 13 and under 15s. Then tomorrow it will be 17 and under 19s. So we're gonna be with the boys who are participating on these trials, and the coaches and the parents that are here. Please follow my channel, Culturous Media, on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Culturous Media with a K, Culturous Media Academy ke bafethu i-Hype Academy iklabhu la eproduce abokeletso sifama, eproduce aboSkarang Hobese and many soccer stars ama-professional pro footballers la eKatlehong. So hoping these boys nabo azo-emulator the past legend abaproduce ile club. So I'm gonna be speaking with the chairman of the club and the co-founder of the team, uNathi uBranathi bafethu. So yeah, ungcenga igama esimazi ngalo la around eKasi. So yeah, ngicela nilandeleni bafethu sisonke sikhulume, and yeah, hope to see ukuthi ubalethelana abajita the young boys la eKasi. Yeah. Thank you, school. Sanibonani machance. Nimnandi bafethu. Lithini uvalo? Alukho. Aninavalo. Niyazithemba. Ayi mara khona singavumi. Khona singavumi. Khona singavumi. Khona singavumi ivalo sinovalo. Ningabi novalo isegazini angithi dayiding chance. Ningasabi bashiti. Nizoyenza dayiding ngiyanithemba mina. Or kanjani bafethu? All the best in ama chance. Hola hola.
Passport. Long on a passport you can't play. If you have the passport and then you connect, you go in you go and look that. Long on a Spain. Yang habis abaz Alman. Spain passport. La baba lo to ngite blue. Go ka la baba blue. Ayo ti.
Sure. Hola. Utebo aka Chime. Ngila Huntersfield. Bengilethe intwana yami bazoyi-assessa la ku-Hyper Academy njengoba mina azange ngifikele ku-PSL kanjalo so ngizama ukuphusha iy'ntwana zaseKasi ngizoncenga la ku-Hyper.
Intwana yakho idla i-under ngakhi? Iku-under ngakhi?
Idlala ku-under 13.
Yona idlala which position?
Idlala e-center.
Center back or center mid?
Forward.
Oh, okay. Angithi mhlawumbe futhi time.
Time avele defend.
Alright mfethu. Ama sebaqedile.
Yeah, sebaqedile iVigrand.
Alright.
Soqala ukujima ngeyi-20.
Hayi ngiyabonga mfethu, ngiyabonga. Tha. Bonani bafethu? Nigrand. Njani? Ngiyaphila. Ngicela nizintroduceni bashitani ngabo bani bakuphi? Lebohang Masina.
Mina Thando Lutsikhuma. Khaya Chabang.
Wayne Shabang.
Yeah. Wayne Shabang.
Yeah.
Like Wayne Rooney.
Yeah.
Wayne Shabang. Udlala yiphi position?
Dlali wing.
Center back, left center back. Strike. Selamatona.
Udlala yiphi position?
Wing. Santos normal. Ndlala defensive midfield.
Igama lakho uthi ubani? Ublomava?
Leleke station.
Yini ka udlalela ni club yakho eKasi?
Ekhaya untouchable.
Untouchable United. Emleleki. Udlalela under ngakhe?
13 ne-15.
Okay. Wena mfethu igama le club yakho yini?
Liverpool.
Udlalela under ngakhe?
13.
iLiverpool yava?
Sitiyet.
Alright. Uze nobani?
Noputwa.
Okay. Wena Mtshita igama le club yakho yini?
Katlong Quarters.
Kuphi nenda?
Phake.
Phake Katlong. No, konje ushilo. Uthe udlala yiphi position?
Strike.
Ma uyawasha amanqako or ugabuza? Alright njaya. Wena mfethu yini igama le club yakho? United Partners. Yava?
Asempedi.
Empedi section. Uzwakale nobani ngaye?
Yiwa.
Izinja madoda. Una how many years mfethu awulahlekanga usabe ukulahleka? Na 12 ukeleza fa.
Albert Mphana.
Oh la njaya. Uyi-1 vele ugibela itaxi or
Nginya.
from wuphi?
Lapha Ntsamane.
Uyisotsha ntwana, uyisotsha njaya. Njaya mase utrayelile. Bathini uvaya kanjani?
Bathi ngize nge-20.
Shukuthi uyabuya. Mfana uyabona ukuthi hard work mawuyifuna uzoyithola nje yami. Uyabona uyisotsha. Keep up the spirit boy. Wena
Liverpool.
Eva
Tiyet.
uze nobani wena ngayi?
Ngizonopotman baba.
Alright, bava bakhona ngayi. Konje uthe udlala yiphi position?
Center back.
Center back. So ile ama center back ashaya iphathu or ile athanda ukubamba ibhola or iziphi wena?
Yes, is possible.
Awusilezi ezishaya iphathu. Mara bathi mawe center back kumele ube negorage. Wena ngathi awunayo gorage. Unayo. Maroshana ngoyibhodi encane. Wena uma uvaye kanjani? Ngeyi-20. Bafethu ngiyabonga. Anda ngakhi?
13.
Under 13. Wena Wayne?
Ngidlalela eMojo City.
Yeah.
Yeah, yaseForce.
Alright.
Yeah.
Maye wena sewutrayelile?
Kupla?
Ozelanga ukuzotrayela?
Ngikhaphele yakithi incane.
Alright. Alright. Asengiyabona vele khona iresemblance nyana. Ngiyabonga neMajensi. Ngiyabonga mina igama lami uLubabalo bafethu ne. uLubabalo kwaHoho sine YouTube channel bayibiza iCulturous Media la ku Facebook. Ku Facebook na ku YouTube. Culturous Media. K with a K. KULTUREROUS with MEDIA Media. Culturous Media. Yeah, Culturous Media. Culturous Media. Yes. Na ku TikTok. Yeah, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram ngikhona la. Ngiyabonga neMajensi. All the best in future. Mhlawumbe ngizonibona senikuwafana ne. Hola Majensi.
Masehla. Bathi masithatha ilist sebasibalile.
Shosho wethu unathizwane lo Huntersville Stadium. Ukhuluma no chairperson weCultural Sound Hyper Academy. I think it's a founder, the owner.
Yeah.
The president.
Yeah.
So
Ujomo Sono we-Hyper Academy.
akekho omunye ngamangala umbona ngasegroundini ngiyajimisa nami. But usilethela namhlanje we looking at the ama-player eklabhini. Like remember manje singena kwi-second round. So let's be quad and azange senze ama-trials since January. Now it's June. People are calling all over. Can we bring our boys? Can we bring our boys? So namhlanje senze opportunity with no. Let them bring their boys then and check. Today is still under 13, under 15, under 14. You are division now. Then tomorrow we'll be dealing with under 17 and 19. So far I'm helping attendance because if you can have about 300 youngsters about from my party academy, meaning somewhere since isn't it right? We are happy today. We're planning to take about 10 under 13, 10 under 14, 10 under 15, 30 players are fun because already we have a team, but to give those youngsters an opportunity to be part of us, I think our coach he playing everything right with starting a player with 30. So we'll see tomorrow again. We take another 10 to make 50 players. That's about GDL. So I'm happy now in attendance and the support is because it's not everyone who let we have players from Limpopo, Northwest, KZN, imagine which
Because ngibonile vela abanye babuya from outside of the province. Kancane chairman ngicela ubuyele la ku-GDL. U-GDL umeleni?
UGDL kula khona ama-team adlala ku-Gauteng Development League. That's our name of our league.
Okay.
Abantu bazothi GDL abanye bayandastand.
Yeah.
Gauteng Development League.
Yeah.
That league consists of Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns, Super Sport, and a lot of academies from local. So this is the one of the league. Now check our national under 20. Those boys are from our league. Our under 17 national team. Those boys are from our league. Most of them they come from GDL league. Even Amaya Swadala professional, they also come from GDL league. So meaning opportunities if it's Labantana Benzil and Amtlash. I think from my side it's one of the biggest opportunities. So we are trying now to at least reach each and every child who corner in South Africa. That's why so today we are happy, attendance no marvelous.
So Mncwanga i-academy yona i-based kuphi? Mhlawumbe abantu abangayazi nijimela kuphi and ama-achievement wenu mina ngifuna uwabale ngowakho uwa-mention because abantu aba-understand ukuthi i-Hyper Academy ukuthi yini i-Hyper Academy. Khona abantu abangazi babona nje uniform ne-background history ukuthi iqale kanjani nama-players owaproducile Ncwanga.
Masikhuluma nge-Hyper Academy, I think we started in 2015. Then we started under 14 sidlala locally. Then sangena original. Then till this born with no man, you are ready to face the big guns. So yeah, academy based la.
Niqale nidlala i-league yakuphi 2014 man?
Katlehong Local Football Association. Then we have to move to go and play Ekurhuleni Regional League. Then Maswa Regional League, that's where it's the opportunity to participate with GDL. And I remember with GDL, sidlalile first season. We started as we GDL tournament, whereby Masemele Kali League we have to go back to GDL Stream B. The people can say why we hyping in a way. Hyping we are Stream B. We started with Stream B, we had to win a league with Stream B. We won that league.
Yeah.
Then we got promoted.
Bakacabanga ukuthi ufike nje.
Yeah, from Ekurhuleni. I think we were only team from Ekurhuleni because it was us. The school was Stream A because that's Ekurhuleni. Then we have to push from Stream B, GDL, then to go to GDL. Since 2016, sikhona ku-GDL A bayaphuma bayangena thina sikhona.
Yeah.
Achievement yethu, at least we produce a lot of boys. Tandonkosi is from our academy. He's playing for Sundowns now.
Ubani?
Tandonkosi.
Okay, yeah.
Bambizo Ska.
Yeah, Nyamazi. I once spoke to him. Yeah.
From our academy. Tebucho Mashiro. Umazulu. First team Yamazulu. He was from Sundowns. Then Wabuye Lokshin, we have to take care of him. Then actual opportunities too. Then now Mazulu. There's a lot to get my DTC team. There's a lot about Giftipog, about Andile, about Chincha from Baning man. Baning.
Yeah.
They came from our academy. Close to 20 or 30 manje abakhona at least ku-PSL setup, Super Sports, Sundowns, Chiefs bakhona. So we are happy ukuthi at least into esenzana at the end of the day siyakhona ukubona ukuthi amaplayer waphelele lakithi. They also can be scouted to those teams. And I remember there was one of the boys who was 40, was scouted by Cape Town City last year.
Go hyper. Yeah, no use Cape Town.
Nokugcina abuye after January kwenzeka lento eziyabona.
Yeah.
He's back now. Sisazompusha because remember ukuthi akusho ukuthi mangabe ubuya le phezulu kuba nama problems
akumelanga ubuye phansi
ekhaya. You still get another chance uzojola. Then sinama player maningi but into engihappy ngayo achievement club. One is to produce. We have produced a lot of youngsters. Two, we won even GDL Cup in 2020.
Yes.
Yeah, we won in under 17, under 19.
Gona yiphi le benishaya Super Sport ku final? I think was it final or semi-final?
Semi-final.
Yeah.
Sasha Super Sport semi-final, final Sajane Kaizer.
And the Super Sport mali ama-player washaya sewaku professional.
Professional. No, it is aware.
Yes.
Even abadlala ku Chiefs.
Yes.
Abadlala professional.
Yeah, Boshabal, they were part of the year and ngiyakhumbula I was following that league.
So at least ngiyabona ukuthi even mama player angafika ngisitha but labe sidlalela mabafika. Kuyasibonisa ukuthi
motivation
into sinaso shoot first call is just luck was not on their side. But some of the boys nabo bakhona batholile ukudlula ukuthi bangene kuma DTC teams yabona. So achievement yethu inkulu but ukubaleka kakhulu ukuthi lento anaziphume zitholela uma opportunity ku big teams.
Nabazali because ngicela ukhulume nabazali nabantu ngcenga abangakhonanga ukuza lana like abazali abanye abazanga abangasupport incosi zabo or abangasupport ama community outreach programs like izinto ze sport la ucela like ukhulume nabantu ukuthi the reason you're doing this because you're doing it for a future and anenzeli nina nabo aba like wena ngicela uba motivate abantu ukuthi beze ngapha.
Engingakusho ukuthi sisezweni elibi kunama drugs ne alcohol abantu bayabulalana bajoyina ubutsotsi. Imagine if umntana wakho akuset up iacademy one angeke abe nobutsotsi uzohlala sebholweni uyakhula ngokudlala. Imagine uqala from under 13 till under 19 angeke uzona 20 sokuqala wenza ubutsotsi obviously ukhula kwi setup right. So parents support your kids. The problem abantu abamnyama sithi thina asina mali. It's not about money. Support i-talent lomntwana because lo mntwana lo mangamiki that support we end up ayelanga ayisigebengu end up esikhatha sema drugs because abantwana abazokela ama drugs abangeni abanye nje it's because there's no support from ekhaya. Lo mntwana maseka phumelele uyathuka nawe sekuvela bomalume seka ku-PSL sevela bobaba umncane eyike nawe kodwa lethi umntwana lapha ku development they were nowhere to be found. So let's support abantwana now. Let's not wait ukuthi baphumelele bese seniyavela ngabazali. Siphele kanzima coach la wena leadership. One, we need to guide labantwana abadlala ibhola from 9 o'clock till 5 o'clock every day, every Saturday and Sunday. Others they are staying with us at clubhouse every day 24 hours. We need to make sure badlile baya gyming baya esikolweni set up right there. So our parents are bayibona ukubaya the only problem is hey thina sina mali. It's not about money.
Being
Get
present.
money for the future yomntana.
And nalama hotman mina I've seen into embi like asekhathoras ngifuna ukuyi abajita amabadlala ama tournament abanye babo they bakuma pro mabaqeda ukudlala umuntu udlala one tournament uba i-star mhlawumbe uwina leyo mali sekahamba nama hotman bayomthengela utshwala and bayamphazamisa ngapha umfana akasa concentrate lama hotman la manane anento yokuthenga aphazamisa labafana nasema groundini abanye baze babathengela utshwala.
As if you can remember, there was the late Skarango. He was also come from my team, if you remember.
Yes, nyama.
Kunabantu abalindi intwana azivelele bese bayaza bazosdestroy. One, mina iplayer was to sign a professional contract. There's no use to come back and play a cast because you already achieved. But asivezeni ezinye idara lezi eziku-professional asipeli street singama-hotman asithatheni imali sithengele ama-under 13 amabhola sithengele ama-under 14 siphuthe imali yethu ku-develop because uthatha le ntwana e-star uyifake etshwaleni the day iphelelwa i-career ebholweni awekho lama-hotman sebakudestroyela i-career ese-football star. So mina ngesingahambe ngisafisa ukuthi those people abanenyuka let's put imali ebantwaneni or emaklabhini. Let's put imali emntaneni wakhe endlini or umntana kamzala umshana wakho. Dala uthatha imali uthathe soccer playlist uhambe uyiphuzise. And then let's avoid nathi ma soccer players ukuthi sesiphumelele sibe sodlala loshini. What if uthola injury? Umsebenzi lo msebenzi lo uphilisa ikhaya lakho nawe uzoba umuntu welila. Let's stop ukudlala emakasi if sesiphumelele. Nathi sinazo intwana ezinjalo. Uzokuthiwa intwana sebedlala idlala ku-chips sekuphi thina siyenza show siya kuleyo ndawo and so stop which you can't play ekasi.
And then ngiyakubonga Ncwenga, that's why I'm raising this, because I know when are one of the guys aba strict ngalento le, even though abanye abantu they don't understand, babona ngathi otherwise somehow, but because of its professionalism. And last question Ncwenga, for i-academy la kuwe, njengoba ama benefits wentwana njengoba ziku academy iskela ama classes kuya kanjani, zi attenda kanjani since when ibhola ulihlanganisa nezincwadi? Yeah.
One, intwana zethu ziyazi ukuthi from ekuseni 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock kumele zibe sesikele. From 6 ziya prepare, 7 zenza shows zinikwe sesikele, just transport sesikele, then esifundi to ziyawoka, then masibuya ku esikele ziyabuya ziyakhumula ziyadla training, ne another 2 hours of training. Masibuya ku training kapause ziyageza ziyadla ziyafunda then ziyalala. So yabona ukuthi ayisina gap yobumnandi.
Iya ukuthi ayi intweni ezisnacks.
Sayome ekhoneni wazibani. You must stay at clubhouse, you must stay at the ground. So into engihappy ngakuthi at least kulentwana esinazo noma zikhona ezame zibe problem. Mawuyinkinga kakhulu sikubisele ekhaya because we can't stay nomuntu ongalali.
We are okay.
Career yabo le. And the two, in future lentwana lezi ngelinye ilanga izobuya ithi nanginceda not ngokwebhola kuphela, even nakwesigele. Because ibhola manamba nesigele so iyo into ehelpayo ukuthi abantu bangathi masekuphela icareer yebhola ulimela akasayindawo. So nesigele then even manje we still looking ama partnership nabo UJ uVets bonke lama institution abhiki ukuthi lentwana lezi azincedwe. We also have another company called MyTech, engineering company. They also planning to assist intwana zethu ephasayo zihambe zenze engineering bazinikeze ibhazana. So uyabona ukuthi ama-opportunity akho ukuthi uma ungekho ebholweni next year uqeda ugrade 12 siyasifaka lapha eMyTech zihamba zofundela engineering ethandayo bazithatha bazichasha ize ngebhola
but seyithole enye into benefit. Yes.
Sihlangane nayo eMyTech of which yo manje
I-partnership yenu eMyTech
through isigele.
Yeah.
Abantu bazokuthi hayi ngemali not financial but
Yeah.
through isigele and assist in other things. Ngoba manje sineMyTech we still looking for others to come forward. Like let's look at our field. We're maintaining this field. We're trying to maintain municipalities nowhere because
ngiyaliveza le
there's
fi.
no funding.
Yeah, but there's no funding eHuntersfield bafethu. This is Huntersfield.
But
Hey.
try by all means if unga-check-a ne onke ama-field manje aphelile but us at least uyabona ukuthi sadlaleka ukuthi
Yeah.
ukuthi sil-maintain through our own pocket. Yabona? Then remember-ke bese siza kuleyo ukuthi parents, you bring your child, you say you don't have money. Who will pay the coaches? Who will buy food for the players? Who will pay traveling fee? Who will pay the referees? Who will pay the ambulances in the games? Who will travel from here to Pretoria to play against Sundown? Parents must assist. We need that assistance.
Ubani ophekayo futhi.
Ubani ophekayo. That woman must get paid end of the month. Yabona? Kunokuklinwa endlini, kunamanzi, kunama-bills. So if parents are not supporting, who will pay them? We're doing this for your child. Let's support. Even big companies around, they're not supporting. We know what you
You submit. Yeah.
submit. So as a submit, we're waiting for someone one day will come forward and say, my company can assist. Even if someone can say, I'll buy blankets, I'll buy food, I'll pay the referee, I'll pay the ambulance. There's a lot of cost. To host a game here at Chantasby, you lose about 10,000 to host a game.
And you're not even professional.
Yeah, it's just local.
Yeah,
You need to have
amateur
ambulance.
level,
You
yeah.
need to pay the referee.
Yes.
You need to pay for the field. You need to mark the field. You need transport to come to the field. You need to buy food.
Then bese kuba khona bazothi hey udla imali hey.
Ukuthi manje bathi bayinikwe yabona if umuntu athi 3,000 sidlile kungcono.
Yeah.
People will talk but they won't give you anything. Wabona imoto bayihamba enje igijima.
Yeah, bathi izikhonkothe yama.
Because it keep on running. So we're doing this for the love of the game.
Ngiyabonga mina Ncwenga for mina I see as a community development legacy inhle into yenzayo. Mina ngifuna ukugama flowers wakho saphila Ncwenga. Ngithi ngiyabonga bhuti wami. All the best. Na in future futhi ngokunye okwenzayo ukuqhubekeke ubheke phambili.
Okunye kokugcina, catch us on channel 216 sobe sidlala ekhaya
26 July.
Home game against Luma 7. Catch us channel 216 or SuperSport Score TV.
Oh, ama games wenu Ncwenga, ama games ya sengibuyisela kuma games. Ame kanjani? Le 20 after the
26 sila. Sidlala la ekhaya. Then elandelayo I think uAugust ayikaphumi ke.
Fixture.
But the next game yethi la nge-26 next week. Catch us Engine Cup Max Park.
Max Park engine.
Under
ngakhe?
Under 18.
Okay.
Engine Cup. Last year's player number 3.
Nidlala nani Max Park?
Can't draw yenziwa.
I-draw. Friday.
I think Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesday or Wednesday. And we should find my social media. We need that support. Last year it's team here number 3. We were beaten by Sundowns.
Mara nipushile na still number 3 kufika ku number 3 akusinoma ubani ofikayo.
We achieved the team of the tournament in that tournament. Imagine from a cast number 1 kube I think we know it's Sundowns or Chiefs.
Yeah,
Chiefs.
Yeah.
Number 2 by Sundowns. We became number 3 amongst the best.
Yeah, benidlala nama PSL team ama professional.
It means we have equality. Yeah, people must bring their players so that bazofundiswa nabo baye phambili bafane nabanye.
Ngiyabonga Ncwenga.
Siyabonga.